Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix your Uber Eats app not working properly. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first solution to fix your Uber Eats app not working properly is to head over to your Play or App Store, search for Uber Eats, and then make sure Uber Eats is installed and updated to the latest version. So go ahead and do that now, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, we'll move on to the next step. Alright, if that doesn't work, what you need to do is click and hold down onto your app, click on the little I button information, and then from here go to where it says storage and click on clear cache, and that should fix the problem. If it doesn't, I'll recommend just deleting Uber Eats completely off your phone, uninstalling it, and then reinstall the app again. And then after reinstalling the app, make sure you log in and then try again. Hopefully those 3 solutions will fix your Uber Eats app not working properly. Alright guys, thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.